friends, and happy Monday. Welcome to Craft with Us. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brittany and I'm the head of children's here at the Winchester Public Library. Most everybody calls me Miss B, not because we're formal in any way, just because it's easier to say. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for those of you who picked up our craft bags. They went super fast this morning. And for those of you who didn't, just like always, I will make sure to tell you what you can get from home to craft along with us if you didn't grab our bag. Craft bags go out at 9 o'clock every Monday that we are open, and they are first come, first served. We usually have about 60 that go out. All right? Okay, so we are making a Bumblebee Buddy today. Say that 5 times fast. So you don't need too much. You need some pipe cleaners, and you can make your Bumblebee any colors you want. We went with the traditional colors, but if you want a multicolor Bumblebee, if you want a neon Bumblebee, you go right ahead and do whatever color you want. But there's one black, one yellow, and one white. Then a yellow pom-pom, some Google eyes, and some glue. You got little glue, I have a big glue. And then you need some scissors, which means we're gonna need our grown-up to help us, okay? All right, so first things first is we get all of our pipe cleaners in a row and we cut them in half, okay? It's a little hard to cut through them, so give it a try, my friends, but just make sure your grown-up is nearby in case you need to ask them for some help, okay? So, snip. So now we have lots of pipe cleaner pieces, okay? So we're going to put everything aside except one yellow and one black, and we're going to twist them together. This is great motor skill development, friends. So grown-ups, let them give it a good try. We're going to use our pinchy fingers, and we're going to make an X right here. It's kind of hard to show. There you go. See, on my desk. And we twist, 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 so that the top becomes one pipe cleaner with the two colors together, okay? Just like that. All right, so now we hold them, use our fingers. One finger, you can use a pen if you want, but we use our fingers, and then just kind of wrap around your finger. You can give it a little twist if you want your Bumblebee to be decorative. You don't want it to be too tight though, okay? Because you'll see we're gonna have to make our wings, and our wings are gonna go through. Okay, so there we go. And then if you want, you can twist the end a little bit more together like so, like that, okay? So there we go. There's our Bumblebee body. Doesn't look like much now, but wait, we'll get there, I promise, okay? All right. So now we take our white pipe cleaner like this, and we kind of push it through the middle like that, and then we're gonna fold each one under. Oh yes, my friends, do you see what we're making? And if you wanna give it a twist, you can. Oh, what does that look like? Now let's do another one on the other side. Give it another twist. Come on, pipe cleaner, work with me. Okay. Like that. And then, if you really want it to be secure, I didn't put this in the instructions, but you can do a little crisscross like that. Oh. There we go, like that. Okay. Those look like wings, my friend. Okay. Now, we're gonna put our body down for a second, just for 1 second. We're gonna take our black pipe cleaner right here. We're gonna wrap it around the yellow pom-pom, kind of like a headband. Okay, we go all the way around and all the way around. So we kind of trap it right in there. Like that. And then twist. All those look like antenna. Whoop, I'm dropping things all over the place. All right, can you see on my hand? There we go, like that. Okay. Now, take your googly eyes. My bee is going to have some big eyes because I ran out of the tiny ones. But that's okay because this is all fun, right? Okay. And then you just kind of smoosh them on a little bit. Oh, there we go. He's got some eyeballs. Okay. And now this is the tricky part. And again, we get to use Miss B's most favorite word of all time, patience. Because when you glue fuzzy things to fuzzy things, you just need to let all the fuzzy things dry. That is full of tongue twisters today, friends. Our craft has bonus tongue twisters. Yes, they do. Okay, so you get your body ready, just like that. Wings go closer to the front, like that. And then you take your glue and you put some glue. Open it all the way up. Come on, glue. And around the back, okay? Well, I can see my googly eye. See, I didn't have enough patience, my googly eye. I knocked it right off. So now I'm gonna glue myself to myself trying to get my googly eye back on, because that's how we're rolling today, friends. You can also leave your googly eyes to the end until everything is dried. You can totally do that. Okay. So we glue our bumblebee. If you want to get your head in there, and then you want to go back in with just a little more glue because it will dry clear, right, friends? So you can put a little extra glue in there. Oh, we got a bumblebee. Let's see if I can't get my googly eyes to go back on, because they'll just look so cute. Look at that! It's a little bumblebee! Okay. There we go, friends. We made a little bumblebee. And then, patience, my friends. The glue isn't dry. You want to play with them. And that's what these two other pipe cleaners are for. When everything is dry, you can twist them around the body, and then you can stick them in some flowers. You can go stick them outside in the dirt. You can carry them around and make them fly. So you've got 2 extra pipe cleaners to wrap around the bottom if you want when you're done. Or they can just sit there on your desk with you like a buddy. There we go. That's what mine's going to do. He's going to sit right up here while he dries on my glue. Okay, so one more time. There is our bumblebee, our cute little bumblebee right there. So yeah, so just some pipe cleaners, some pom-poms. You can also just use a cotton ball if you want. His head will be slightly different color, but that's okay. And some googly eyes. So that's all you need for your bumblebee. Thank you so much for joining me today, my friends, and I hope I'll see you back here, same time, same place, different craft. And until then, my friends, we say, be safe, be kind, wash your hands, and wear your mask. I'll see everyone next week. Bye-bye.